Imagine this, your Tesla sitting in the driveway or garage, not driving anyone around, but still making money. Potentially thousands of dollars per year. This sounds like science fiction, but might actually become reality soon thanks to a new project between Tesla and xAI. Let's break down what this is, what you might actually earn, and why this matters for the future. So this project is called MacroHard. Yes, that's really what it's called. Elon announced it on X as a collaboration between Tesla and xAI. It's basically an AI system designed to handle real computer-based work, like answering emails, doing spreadsheets, and sending invoices. Now, here's where it gets interesting for Tesla owners. This whole system is built to run super efficiently on Tesla's AI4 chips. The same chips that are already in millions of newer Teslas used for full self-driving. And a couple of days ago, Elon specifically mentioned that this new MacroHard system will work in all AI4 equipped cars. That means that when your Tesla is parked, which, let's be honest, is most of the time, its compute power can be rented by other companies. The way companies rent compute power today is they rent servers in big data centers in order for their AI systems to work. So what Elon is proposing with MacroHard is that your car could become a small node in a giant distributed AI network. So no need for huge data centers everywhere. The fleet of Tesla cars becomes a giant supercomputer, and this compute power can be rented by other companies. Okay, so the question you probably want answered: how much money can you make from this? So back in late 2025, during a Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon floated the idea of paying owners $100 to $200 per month to let the company use the car's idle compute power for this. And even at the conservative end, say $100 per month, you're making $1,200 per year of passive income from a car you own. At $200 per month, you're looking at $2,400 annually. Now, for some people, that might not sound life-changing, but think about it. Your car would just be sitting in an idle parking spot anyways, so why not let it earn some extra cash for you instead? Of course, this raises a bunch of practical questions, and let's tackle the big ones. First, is this automatic, or do you get to choose to partake in it? From everything Elon has said so far, it would almost certainly be opt-in, just like robotaxi sharing. Second, what about battery drain or wear and tear? Just like the previous one, this would almost certainly be up to you. If you want to sell your car's compute power, you'd likely be able to choose to do so only when it's plugged in, if that's what you want. Third, privacy and security. So this is a concern for a lot of people. And since this is about renting compute for AI tasks, your car's screen, data, and personal files wouldn't be involved. It's only the raw processing power being used remotely for this. So what does all of this mean for the future? In the short term, it turns your Tesla from just a really nice car into an asset that pays you back every month, potentially offsetting insurance, charging costs, or even part of your car payment. So what do you think? Would you opt in with your car right away, or would you wait to see how it all plays out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, subscribe and press the bell.